Okay, so we looked at Albatross this week in sessions. This is just a little video to help you through it. So we're just going to establish the chords first. Them chords. So there's two ways you can play it. I'll just show you quickly the tabs that we had. So the first chord we had, it runs from the thin string 5, then 6. So here you've got the 5th fret, and then the 6. So there's two ways you can do it. You can hold down the 5s there, and you can bring this 3rd finger up there. So you go, but you don't strum the 4th string, by the way, like that. That is a bit harder to get to from that first note, unless you're used to that shape. I would preferably bar this, and then put that 2nd finger there. And the next one you play, let me show you on the tabs here, is a row of 4s. So it's on the 1st, 2nd and 3rd string still, the 3rd 3 thin strings, barring it as a 4th fret there. So another good tip would help you here, if you do the initial one, say I said do the 5s like that, do it on all 3 strings, then put your 2nd finger here. So when you've done that, you can just move that backwards. So there's no moving this one up and down to the next shape. You're just here. It doesn't matter that you've got this here on the 5th fret, because this 2nd finger is in the way of it. So you're not going to hear that. That would be wrong. So get used to that. Down strums. I know on the tab it has up arrows, but if you look at the direction of the tab, it's strumming down the strings there. So okay, so the first bit of the tab, the first note is the 2 on the 5th string there. Now it's very gently played, this, and these little things here, these little circular things, are meaning hold that chord. So hold that, don't just play it and cut it off. So it goes again, the chord. So you're hitting that just one little note there on the 2nd fret, and then here at the end you hit the 0. The reason I think it's in brackets is because it's so quiet, it's inaudible on the record. And then you hit the 2, so you got. Okay, so the next line here, it goes, hit the 6th string, and then we have this little riff here, which is. So what's going to happen here, we've got a 2 to 4 slide, that's on the 5th string here. But if you use your 1st finger, it leaves you on these fingers on the wrong side. So you want to start that 2 there with your 3rd finger. So when you go, what's happening is it frees your 1st finger here to play that 2 there on that next string. So, and then back up to that 4th. So you got. And then what you do is on the 4th string, you do 4, 6, 4 slide. See that? You just pluck it once, and you got to keep the pressure down the whole way here, because if you lift it and back, you've got no note really. So you got, and then you hit that 4 twice. And then you do the little slide again. And then the next bit here is a 4 and a 2. So that isn't a 7, that's a rest there. So that's complete silence. So on that 4th string you go 4, 2, but you go. So you got a silence in the middle, rather than. Not that it's that noticeable really on the recording. And then it goes. Okay, so that's the very first bit. Let's get that all on there. So I'm going to play it nice and slow. can't see that last 0 at the end, it's on the other bit. So I'm going to play this very nice and slow. I'm not going to go through every detail, I'm just going to play it slow. So I'm going to go from here, the end of the top bit there. Let's get this spotlight. I'm going to go from this bit here. So it's a 2/4. You could hammer that, or you could just slide it. And then 4/6/4 slide. And then you're staying on that string, and you 4 to slide, 6 slide, and then the 3rd string 4/6, 4/6 slide on the same string, go to the 2. So all together from that dot there. Okay, oh, that helps. That's just the first part of what we did in the sessions. So if you can work on that, we'll go through the next sections on the next sessions. So good luck with that. Let me know how you're getting on. If you're struggling, just let me know. Comment on here, and I'll help you out, or just send me a private message. All right, thanks a lot. See ya. Bye.